It's been a while since I've posted a cooking video on here, so cook some honey jerk chicken with me. These are all the seasoning I will be using in today's menu. You honestly don't need all of these seasoning, but for me, I love to season my chicken, so I just added everything. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I haven't been active much, it's just because I'm trying to figure out what niche I really want to do on YouTube, because the truth is I feel like I put a lot of work into my videos and they're not performing as how I would like them to. So I'm just trying to think of different things to do, something that would be, interesting and fun. So yeah, anyways, enough of me, back to my cooking. I bought the hot and then I also bought the mild jerk seasoning, and it was really spicy, but I feel like jerk chicken is supposed to be spicy, so it was fine with me. And then I also put my green seasoning and just mixed everything together, put it in the fridge to marinate, and then it was time for me to start baking. I went ahead and I poured myself a glass of wine while I let my chicken bake for about an hour. Once it got to that 1 hour mark, I decided to check on my chicken and it was looking really good. So I had to mix my little sauce to go on the top of the chicken. I used some honey, some slap your mama, some barbecue sauce, as well as the jerk seasoning. I tasted it to make sure that it was okay, and let me tell you, my mouth was burning. Anyways, I added the sauce on top of the chicken and I let it bake for another 20 minutes or so. I know it looked like it was burnt, but honestly it was well cooked. I think that the honey made it look like it was burnt, but otherwise it was really tasty. I enjoyed every bit of it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow. Bye.